This is our deck restoration plus wood brightener. It's our step 2 in our process. So once we have applied either the cleaner, the restorer, or the stripper, we want to come back and apply the brightener. The brightener does a lot of things. It'll brighten the wood, it gets rid of iron and metal stains, opens up the pores of the wood to accept the sealer or the stain we're going to use. So it really preps the wood as well. So our brightener is the finishing touch. It makes it the optimal look. Everything about wood restoration is the prep work. So the better the prep, the better the end result. This is the finishing touch that gives it the optimal look. We have it in a 2-pound container, which mixes about 8 to 16 ounces of product to a gallon of water. So we have the 2-pound container, and we also have the 5-gallon concentrate, which usually we'll mix that anywhere from 5 to 1 to 10 to 1. So that's our deck restoration plus wood brightener. Okay, we've used our deck restorer on here. We restored the wood. It's darker. We can see the beautiful grain, but again, it's dark. And you can see the lighter wood that's wet in the back by our brightener can. And what we're going to do here is we're going to make that match up when we apply the brightener. Again, the brightener's quick acting. We can put the brightener on. The brightener's quick acting, and you'll see it happen almost immediately, how it lightens up the wood. And you'll see the dark wood around it, how it lightens up. It'll match the other wood, and it'll match the wood in the back. This brightener, what it does is gives it that optimal look, among the other things I already mentioned. And what happens by giving that optimal look, that means the end result is going to be better. So no matter what you put on, it's going to look that much better. Okay, now that the brightener's been on for a few minutes, you can see the difference. It's matched up the other wood over here that we've already restored, and you can see the dark wood over here, which we haven't brightened yet, but you can definitely see the difference and how much brighter the wood is. This is what it looked like dark, and this is what it looks like after the brightener. So again, the optimal result, we can see anything we missed. We know this project's gonna come out good because when this dries, it's gonna look like beautiful. It'll be like magic. We put on our deck restoration plus deck and wood stain, and we'll put on the finishing touch. So this is how you restore wood and the final touch of the brightener after the restore.